Congratulations on getting your LED teeth whitening system by Primal Life Organics. I'm super excited to show you guys. I'm Trina Felber. I'm a registered nurse, CEO, and founder of Primal Life. When you get your device, you can open it up. You'll have some instructions on the front. You'll have instructions about the blue light, the red light, and the blue and the red light. Blue light therapy is used to help reduce the bacteria inside the mouth. So if you have bad breath or you have sensitive teeth or cavities, blue light is what you want. Red light helps with gum tissue health. So if you have bleeding gums, irritated gums, red gums, the red light therapy is what you want to choose. You can do a combination of red and blue light. Most people choose to do this option because you're going to get the benefits of both the blue and the red light. However, using both the blue and the red at the same time will wear the battery down just a little bit faster because you're using more lights. However, you can save time by doing both. So you're also going to get your mouth therapy booklet. This is how to. It's going to show you everything you need to know and tell you everything you need to know about your whitening device. You are also going to get a shade. It's going to show you the different shades so you can check what shade you start with and then check along the way to see what your progress has been. Sometimes it's hard to see the whitening progress when you're looking at it yourself. However, using this is going to help guide you and let you know that you are making some progress, because that's a lot of fun when you see the progress. Your charger is in here, so you're going to want to make sure you take your device out and hook it to the charger before you start using it. The little charger has magnetic clips right here, so you'll just charge it. It will charge. It will do a red light until it is fully charged. It takes about 2 hours the first time, and then green light will show that it is ready to go, ready to use. When you want to use your device the first time, each pod, this comes with 10 pods, each pod has 2 treatments in it. You don't need a whole lot. It's peroxide free. It's an oil base, so it will feel slightly different than what you might be used to. And it has clay, hydroxyapatite, essential oils in it. So it's going to help to whiten your teeth by removing surface stains, but also by rebuilding the enamel. And the enamel is the thickest part. So the whiter and thicker your enamel, the whiter your teeth are going to look. So that's amazing. Make sure you understand doing this is going to take a little bit longer than peroxide, especially if your enamel is worn down. Some people get really quick results. Those are the people that have really thick enamel and they're whitening their surface of their teeth, getting rid of coffee stains and like red wine stains, red food stains like red sauce and things like that. But for the average person, if you have worn down enamel and your enamel's thinner, it's going to take a little bit longer to see those white results. So 20 treatments. We recommend doing 1 treatment a day, 5 days a week for the first 4 weeks. So this is a 1-month treatment. After that, 1 to 2 treatments is usually good. Some people like to do 2 to 3 treatments a week, but you do need to continue this to get the benefits. The nice thing about the blue light is the blue light is going to help to kill the bacteria that causes that yellow tinge to the teeth, because the bacteria that causes the teeth to look yellow is yellow in color. So using the blue light is going to also help whiten the teeth along with the gel. So that's really important. To use your mouthpiece, you simply, once it's charged, you'll see the logo on the front. The back side has the button. So just turn the button on. It'll do the blue light first, the red light second, and the red and blue light. Whichever treatment you choose, you leave it. It's going to lock that treatment in. After approximately maybe 30 seconds, if you want to change that, you're going to have to turn it off and then turn it back on to go to the treatment that you want. The treatment will last for about 16 minutes, and when it's done, it will turn off. The easiest way to put this in is not directly in the mouth, but to actually angle it to one side, put one side on first and then the other side. So again, it's one side in and then the other side instead of going straight in. That'll just give you a better fit. It is important to put the gel. You can put it right on the device, but it actually works better when you put the gel on your finger and apply the gel directly to your teeth. And it's going to be a little goopy in spots, but that's okay because it's going to move around as you're using the device. And it will get to all of your teeth as it sits on your teeth and on the device for the full treatment. When you're done, the light will go off, it will beep, and then to remove the silicone, you simply peel the silicone away. This device is not waterproof or water resistant, so keep it away from water. If it's dirty, you can just take a damp cloth or a dry cloth and simply wipe this off. This, however, the silicone is waterproof and is meant to be washed. So you can just simply wash this with your dish soap, let it dry, and then to put it back on, you simply just push it on, it'll form and it locks, sort of snaps back into place, if you will. So you just want to make sure that that's back in place, and then you'll be good to go for your next treatment. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@primallifeorganics.com. Don't forget to get your gels on subscription to make sure that you don't run out. You can get a refill of gels at primallifeorganics.com, and putting them on subscription will just guarantee that you'll get them at a regular interval. Most people will get 1 pack of gels every 2 to 3 months, depending on how often you're using it. If you have any questions, reach out to support@Primal Life Organics. Again, I'm Trina Felber, and I feel honored that you are using our Real White teeth whitening system. You're gonna get better checkups, you're gonna have a whiter smile and fresher breath. Thanks for joining the Primal Life Organics family. We're here to support you.